Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got these 4 cornrows done. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. Let's get into the video. So this is honestly some leftover hair that I had from a video I did a while back. I couldn't be bothered with combing my hair, so I decided I would just use it up to do some cornrows and just get my hair out of the way. Firstly, I am sectioning off my hair. As I said, well, as you would have seen, my hair is in 4. I was gonna do it like straight back, but I'm like, let me try some that I saw odd the pack of the braid in here. I think she had like 6 braids I just wanted to do for, well, I didn't have like a whole lot of hair as you would have noticed. So yeah, so I'm just using the mirror because I can't see the back of my head just like that. So I'm just using the mirror to make sure that the parting is straight, and I'm going in with some edge control as well just to put around the perimeter of the parting. This edge control is really, it's kind of stiff, so I don't want to use a lot of it, or I didn't use a lot of it. I literally just put it like where the parting was, and that was just about it. Based on the fact that my hair was, well, it's been a month. Yeah, it's been a month since I've relaxed my hair, and it hasn't grown out so much, so it's not like hard to manage. So I wouldn't need like a whole lot of gel or edge control to keep my hair sleek. I will be doing the feed-in method for this hairstyle, but I did corner my hair for about a ½ inch before I started to add the braid in. This video is going to be like a watch me braid my hair type of video. There isn't much to explain. If there is anything you would want to know or you want to ask me, you can feel free to shoot it in the comments. But in the meantime, you can go and listen to some music and just continue watching the video. Guys, you would have noticed that I was just grabbing hair to feed in while I was doing the cornrow. It's definitely easier, unless you have help, it's definitely easier to separate the hair first before you start to cornrow or braid your hair, so that you don't have to stop every time to separate the braid. So I'm done with cornrowing my hair. I didn't leave much of my edges out because, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't want to have to deal with my hair. So everything is pretty much in, but there are still some baby or adult hairs left, so I'm just putting those in. This is some coconut oil mixed with a little bit of castor oil that I'm using on my scalp. It's a bit runny because it's mostly coconut oil, but yeah, I'm just using that to oil my scalp so that it's not so dry. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like now. This is what the back of the hair is looking like, and it's not tight, you know. It just feels normal. It's not tight. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.